A quick video regarding the flat earth moon. Our location, we're in Johannesburg. We're around there, Johannesburg. Just want to prove that quickly. Go onto maps. There's the house. Okay, the house is pointing north, as you can see. If I walk out of the house, I walk north, and then just to go in, just clearly see where's Johannesburg. That's where we are in Johannesburg, and we're on the southern hemisphere. Now, what I wanted to show is really that this moon is the wrong way around. First of all, we can talk about the moon. People will say, yeah, we know it's the wrong way around because the moon is self-illuminating. But there's a problem with that as well. There's the moon. If I take a screenshot of this specific moon, which is screenshots, there's the screenshot of the moon. The craters show shadows only to the one side. If you look at all these craters on any of these moons, you see shadows on one side, which means that's purely cannot be self-illuminating because it's throwing shadows from one side. So that debugs that problem. Or maybe there's another explanation why it's like that. But what I really want to show is, we're in South Africa at the bottom here. There we are. Okay. Just have a look what's happening. The sun moves, in this case, northwest. We've got the dark coming in, and it's about 12 o'clock, just past 12. It's about 12. Okay, so the moon's about 30 degrees northeast. Okay, if you look at this specific photo, and it's pointing north. Okay, it's pointing north. So when we go outside, okay, just want to quickly put on the camera and go outside. Here's the camera. Okay, still in the house. It's going to move outside. Okay, and when I look at the moon, okay, now this is not the best camera, it's just a cell phone. Look at it's pointing downwards, which means in this case it's pointing south. It's pointing south. From our perspective, it's pointing south, which means it's pointing towards the sun at night, which is on the south side. And just to prove that, I'm going to just go out, open another app. Okay, there you can see the house. We just came out of the house. This house is facing north, so that moon is north from us, and it's roughly about 27, 28, 29 degrees northeast. So it's definitely north, and it's definitely pointing south. Okay, so that means the sun is on the southern side. Okay, which means the sun is circulating the south pole. That's what it comes down to. Okay, and this map, the moon is 180 degrees pointing in the wrong direction. Okay, from our point of view. Now, people will say the moon doesn't matter, it's self-illuminating, it doesn't make sense because of the shadows in the craters. At the end of the day, everything we see on this map is wrong, and we always prove that the sun goes down southeast and not in this curve northwest. Oh, sorry, the sun is going down southwest, and not as this plan shows it to be more northwest. I just want to go to the gallery, my screenshots. We've got a lot of photos. The one I like to show is Cape Town. Cape Town is at the bottom of the southern hemisphere. Table Mountain is a very prominent place. Everybody can check that. The sun goes down in South Africa, and that is south west, and it's 244 odd degrees. All the data is on some of the other photos, but there's many photos of the sun going down in Cape Town. That's from Table Mountain itself. The sun goes down south west. The moon comes up north and points also into the southwesterly direction during the night. So we've got the sun going south, we've got the moon pointing south, and we've got the flat earth map showing both directions the other way around.